We're going to take a look at this Sony Handycam. I have it on record. I don't know how to get rid of those lines. I don't know if it has something to do with the focus, the shutter speed, auto lock. It might be locked. I just don't know. I don't know. But I found one issue at least. This eject button doesn't seem to eject. I don't want to pull or push on anything, so I'm going to leave it as is. Comes with this wireless microphone, but I only see the transmitter. I don't see the microphone. It might be attached to here somehow. I don't know. Power adapter is obviously working. We'll unplug this. Stick the battery in. There it is, charge. I'm gonna let that charge for a little bit. I've found maybe 1 in 100 old batteries that work. Batteries are cheap online, so are chargers. Brand new Fuji tape. If you get it working, got a manual. It comes in a huge bag. Lots of compartments. There's a whole nother bag inside the bag. That goes to a different camera. Look at that. Oh, what is this? That's a whole nother camera. Alright. Pencil. Probably made in USA. Okay. Alright. That's what you get.